Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to 3D Aquam and Happy New Year. Hopefully you guys all had a lot of time to sit back, enjoy, relax, get with some family. If you're not in Ontario, that is, because the province-wide lockdown, but hopefully the rest of you guys have a really happy holiday. Anyways, here we are. We are now on P4, the second last piece. It's for the visor of our Republic Commando. Behind me is the third piece that I built on top, which turned out, how I think, amazing. This is going to be the top piece. Wait till I show you this thing, which I'm about to do in a moment, how big this actually is. It takes up the entire amount of my CR10s. So this is the CR10S, the Pro, and it takes up almost, there's literally about this much room. You guys can see that. There's like 4 inches. Like it takes the entire build plate. That's how big this helmet is. So this is the ARF, sorry. So I'll show you the guys that in just a moment. But we're just about done. I want to show you guys something else that I did that I didn't put a build on. I'm going to make a video very soon. And this is the Clone Commando. So he's all done now. But I'll be putting a video up on him too. He turned out really good. And these are just, these pieces here are just additions for his helmet, earpieces, etc. But yeah, back to what this video is about. P4 now, we are on for the ARF, so let's get into it. So as usual, what we're going to do right now, first off we're going to home it. And then we're going to, as you can see, I put another 8 lines of glue, whatever. It is still going to be a big print. I'm not sure exactly where it is. Hopefully I didn't miss like in the last video. And we're going to kick this off. And I'll show you guys, I'll let it lay its initial layer lines down. Again, off screen I did another touch up like I do before every single print. The ARF Part 4. I can't believe this is almost done, and I can't wait to take the challenge of trying to do this in one piece. It's going to be insane. So I'll just let you guys sit back and watch the initial layer lines. Alright guys, there you have it. We put down our initial layer line. You've seen the parts. You've seen the clone commander that we're going to be building up eventually. So let's see what we have with the ARF now. This video is all about a huge helmet that still isn't even done. So remember, it is taped together. It is taped together at the moment. We did have a couple filament changes. That's with the color swaps. But I think it looks awesome. This thing is huge. This thing is absolutely huge. See if we can go with a little bit of Bondo. It's only in 3 pieces. A little bit of Bondo, a little bit of putty. This thing is gonna look so mint. So there you have it, guys. We're going to post up the next video, which will be really soon. As you can see over here, we've got another Mando starting. We've got a couple Beyblade pieces over here for Metal Fusion. It's limitless, guys. So there you go. Thanks for swinging by. Remember to hit that like and subscribe for more builds, because we have tons of them coming. A lot of painting coming soon too. These are all just raw prints. Let's get to finishing afterwards. Once again, Happy New Year's, guys. Take care.